everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Active Armor on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Active Armor app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, it will ask for permissions to block spam calls, send notification, and access call protection. Tap Allow so the app can protect your phone properly. On the home screen, tap on Call and Text. After that, tap on Spam and Fraud Call Routings and turn it on. This helps stop unknown and scam calls before they reach you. Spam calls will be blocked or labeled automatically. Active Armor will send you alerts if there is a scam call, a suspicious message, or a data breach warning. You can tap the alert to see more details. After that, go to Settings inside the app. Here you can block unknown callers, review blocked calls, or turn protection on or off anytime. And that's it. Active Armor works in the background, keeping your iPhone safe without extra effort. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.